Mercedes-AMG to replace GLC 43 and 63 with new 600 bhp PHEV model. Mercedes-AMG is streamlining its high-performance SUV lineup by consolidating the GLC 43 and GLC 63 models into a single, more powerful variant, the GLC 53. This move comes as part of a midlife update for the current generation GLC and will see the introduction of a potent plug-in hybrid powertrain. New powertrain details: the upcoming GLC 53 will inherit the drivetrain from the E53, pairing a turbocharged 3-liter inline-six engine with a gearbox-mounted electric motor. This combination delivers up to 612 horsepower in race mode, with 577 HP available in standard driving. The system also generates 553 lb-ft of torque. Performance figures are expected to mirror those of the E53, with a 0-60 mph acceleration time of roughly 3.8 seconds and a limited top speed of 155 mph. A 21.2 kWh lithium-ion battery provides an electric-only range of up to 63 miles. The phase-out of 4-cylinder models the decision to replace the GLC 43 and 63 with the GLC 53 is driven by evolving EU noise standards. The current 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine used in these models no longer meets regulations, forcing Mercedes-AMG to phase them out. Production of the GLC 43 is set to conclude by the end of February, with the GLC 63 following in May. Software and design updates alongside the new powertrain, the GLC 53 will receive visual updates and integrate the latest generation of Mercedes-Benz's MB OS software. This represents a significant upgrade in both performance and technology. Competition and market arrival: the GLC 53 is positioned to compete directly with upcoming high-performance SUVs, such as the next-generation BMW X3 M50. Mercedes-AMG expects the model to reach UK showrooms in 2025, offering a refined, powerful, and compliant option in the luxury performance segment. With tightening emissions and noise regulations, Mercedes-AMG is adapting its lineup to deliver high performance while meeting modern standards. The GLC 53 is a key step in that strategy.